Our father first started farming eggs more than 80 years ago. Today, the Hudson family proudly continues to produce local, nutritious eggs and egg products for Canadian families. Our Nature Egg brands offer consumers a wide variety of choice, from nest-laid eggs, a more affordable option that are laid by hens in enriched housing, to free-run and free-range. Another option is omega-3 eggs, nutritionally enhanced and a source of omega-3 fatty acids. We are passionate about eggs here at Burnbrae Farms. They are one of the most versatile and nutritious foods. Naturally rich in essential vitamins and minerals, they are also a sustainable source of high-quality protein. As a sixth-generation Canadian family-owned business, we understand the importance of leaving something good for the next generation. At Burnbrae Farms, we believe a lot goes into a little. Learn more at burnbraefarms.com.